Hi, I'm Rick Sant with Cleerline Technology Group, and we're here at the ISE show in Amsterdam for ISE 2020. What I'm going to talk about today is our new AOC cable. It is a 8K cable, so it does 48 gigs, can actually do up to 10K resolution. What's unique about Cleerline's AOC cables are inside for the fiber portion, we have 4 strands of fiber optic cable. So every time you pull a Cleerline cable, you're actually placing 4 strands of fiber optic. With Cleerline's SSF technology, the fiber is much stronger, safer, and it's actually faster to terminate. So if in the future 8K goes to 16K or something like that happens, with that 4 strands, you always have the ability to cut off the ends, terminate, and use a future media bailin that doesn't exist today. So again, every time you're installing 4 strands of Cleerline fiber when you put in a Cleerline AOC cable. So that's what we're showing brand new at the show. Just started shipping last week. Actually won the TNT award for one of the best new products for ISE here. So if you'd like to learn more about it, visit us at cleerlinefiber.com.